Hey, everybody. I'm here to just talk briefly about submitting an assignment. I think it's a pretty self explanatory process, but I'm just going to go through it with you. These green buttons that you'll find sprinkled throughout the site, most notably on the assignment pages and on the project pages, will allow you to submit assignments that will then show up in the gallery. And so you can see this is an assignment from, not really, but it's kind of a fake assignment from the first assignment we're going to do. And I can click on the link. And so what I'd like you to have in every assignment is I'd like you to have a link. I'd like you to have a image. I'd like you to have a title. And I'd like you to have a brief description. So I'm going to go through and show you how to do that. I'm not going to do it on an assignment page. I'm going to do it in a different place, which is a random. And these randoms are going to show up also in the gallery. They're going to show up at the bottom in this random area. And those can be anything. It can be just, in this case, I just found this image of a record. I was sort of testing out the functionality. And these are some sketches that I made. Again, mostly just to test out the gallery, but also to share. And here's an image I saw I really liked. Counterinsurgency is infrastructural. We're going to be talking about memes pretty soon, and this is a great example of a truly transcendental image macro, in my opinion. Whoa. Says so much about our world, doesn't it? At any rate, let's go back and do what we're here to do, which is to submit random, which can be found at the bottom of the user page or the home page when you're logged in. So I'm going to click submit random. And the first thing I'm going to do is attach an image. And I can go around, you can see some of these images are perfectly good size. The image needs cannot, as you see, exceed 1 megabyte. And I would say just err on the smaller side. If you've made an image using the Google Chrome screen capture, like I did in that video I showed you, you can see it made a screen capture perfectly reasonable size, 594 kilobytes. I'm going to select that. I'm going to click open. And you can see there's the text there of that image. I'll hit select again. And now I should be able to see that image. There it is, right there. So now I can just give this a title. And I'm going to call it the same thing that my sketch is called, which is Nifty Mouse Follower. I'll give it a link URL, which I'll copy and paste from the CodePen where it resides. And I'll give it a brief description. A mouse follower with that uses clip paths on images to make things extra nice. I'll just click submit. It takes me to the gallery, and you can see now in the random section, I have got a submission. And as long as it's a submission that you made, you can edit that later. I can change it, edit the assignment, and then other people can make comments. Or you can make comments yourself. All right, that's it.